Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sort of habit tracker in Notion, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a very useful application or service which you can use for a variety of things, such as creating documents, creating lists, task lists, what else? For example, you can create a journal, you can create a calendar for all your errands or all your obligations, and so on and so forth. You can use it, as I said, for a variety of things, and it is very useful, so I wholeheartedly recommend you try it. However, in this one, as I've said, I will be showing you how to create a habit tracker, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, what we're going to do is go and add a page, and once you have this blank page created, what you want to do is just select the table template. You can select any template you like, but I'll be using a table for this one. And what we want to do is, instead of selecting a data source, we want to create a new database, and once we do, let's just rename it into habits. Now, as you can see, we have a blank table here, and you can rename it to whatever you want. Let's say day, and let's say tags. We want to delete this one actually, since I want to create checkboxes, and let's create like 2 basic checkbox columns, and you do it like so. And once we do, we just want to add some day names, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'll stop there because the process is pretty much the same. You can add new ones by clicking the plus here, and now just rename this to the things that you want. Let's say workout, and let's say studying. And I'll stop there, but it's the same process for all checkboxes here. And to track your habits, just make sure you check off what you've done each day. And once you're done with that, if you want to select if you want to clear it, you can do it like so. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.